workshop, which was much more technical. The breadth of topics that were addressed, from health economics to how to evaluate new vaccines in different trials, and then post-licensure evaluation.
It was an amazing experience that was spread over 4 days. I really learned a lot. We walked through the journey of complete how the vaccines are to be introduced, what technicalities are there behind it, how does vaccines work in community, what are direct and indirect effects. Then a beautiful session on modeling by Professor Mark.
Now, the next thing is also financing of these vaccines. So far as we are concerned, we are looking at Gavi graduation. We are looking at picking on a new vaccine. It's a new cost that we introduce to our health budgets, and you need to look at the cost effectiveness over a period.
My background, it's not a clinician or physician, like medical doctor, more like the health economist. And I think the course was structured in a way that is understandable, but not forgetting the essence of it. It's very informational, very relatable.
I also really enjoyed the lecture on the vaccine supply chain and how it's done here in India with the technology.
All kinds of perspectives so far as vaccines are concerned. So I think that the first thing that I look at for this program is how comprehensive it's been within a short time.
I think I would like to see more on prioritizations of vaccines, especially in these issues of limited resources.
Probably some part of immunology, which tells the immunological aspect of how vaccines work.
Really great course. I have nothing but good experience, and I hope in the future I can participate.